Hello traders. This is Shivender. Welcome to Profit Snaps. In this session we are going to look into mannerism of leading diagonal. Basically impulsive waves are of two types. First one, impulse. And the second is diagonals. Impulse is a basic 5-wave structure, which wave 1, wave 3 and wave 5 moves in the direction of main trend. And the waves 2 and 4 retraces against the direction of main trend. We have already discussed about this wave in previous session. So, we skip this now and move on to diagonals. While comparing with impulse move, diagonals are weaker and slower move. But once if the diagonals are formed, we can expect huge movement after that. Diagonals also have their own mannerism, structure and rules. Thus it differs from ordinary 5-wave structure. It is most commonly occurring in highly leveraged markets like Forex, Commodities. There are two types of diagonals: leading diagonals and the ending diagonals. Leading diagonals. By the name itself, we can understand that these type patterns occurs in start of the new trend. Especially it occurs in wave 1 position of impulsive wave or wave a position of corrective waves. If this pattern forms in the beginning of the trend, then whole move can be stronger and steeper one. Leading diagonal forms in a 5-wave sequence. Wave 1 moves in a 5-wave impulse structure. And the wave 2 retraces in 3-wave zigzag sequence. Wave 3 moves in 5-wave sequence. Wave 4 in 3-wave sequence. And wave 5 moves in 5-wave sequence. In a rising market, waves 1, 3 and 5 leads to higher extensions, and the waves 2 and 4 leads to higher low retracements. Rules for leading diagonals. Rule 1. Wave 2 should not cross wave 1. Second rule. Wave 3 should break the top of wave 1. The third thing is an important rule, which only makes differ the diagonals from impulse. Wave 4 must enter into wave 1 price territory. At the same time it shouldn't cross wave 2. Rule 4. In diagonals wave 5 should not be a truncated move. How to trade leading diagonal. Entry point. First step is to draw a trend line which connects the top of waves 1 and 3. Enter long position once if the price breaks the trend line. If it is downtrend, then go with short position. Second thing is to set target. Our minimum target is the difference between the top of wave 3 and bottom of wave 1. Maximum target is 3 times the difference between wave 3 and wave 1. The reason for increasing 3 times higher for target is, leading diagonals forms in the position of wave 1 of impulse and wave of corrective. So we have a vast profit potential in upcoming moves. Thus we increase our target for 3 times. Place your initial stop loss below the wave 2 and trail it by using Lucas sequences, which we explained already in our previous videos. Sounds complicated? It isn't really. It just takes practice. Hope you all enjoyed this video. Leave us like to show your support. Subscribe to our channel and click bell icon to stay notified when we upload new videos.